Hi everyone, Catherine here again to share with you some more layouts I created for May for the International Scrapbooking Day. This one's for Cut to You, and their first challenge on their Facebook group was to scrap lift the design team, and I decided to scrap lift the wonderful Michelle Stokes using this Christmas banners cut file and the Unforgettable collection from Coco Vanilla Studio. I just loved her layout. I'll put a photo of it in the description below. And yeah, I took most of the elements from it. I changed the title. I think hers was titled The Best, and I just had loved this. And this is just a picture of me and my son Sebastian sitting at the cafe enjoying the sun and hanging out, but I really love the colors in this. And you know, even though it was a Christmas cut file and certainly was for the Christmas release, you know, it didn't need to be Christmassy, so there was a fair few elements that I kind of changed out because I'd used those pieces or what have you. But yeah, I'm really happy with how this turned out, and I mean, this paper, this wood grain paper, is just to die for. So yeah, anything on this paper is awesome. So I actually also won a, just on the day, like commenting on the Facebook group and stuff, I won a cut file, and I chose this one. So and so I thought I'd use it for challenge number 2, which was to get inspired by the mood board. And the mood board was this beautiful inspiration. And so what I took from it was definitely this kind of rainbow color and, you know, these clouds and the sun, and just thought it was gorgeous. So that was kind of my inspiration for this layout. And yeah, so this was actually the rainbow cut file, and it's part of a kit that Gwen from Cut to You has in her shop. And I just thought it was stunning. And I used a few different collections, but it was mainly the Coco Vanilla Studio Happiness collection, although there is a couple of papers here. I think these first 2 are from the Legendary collection, but the rest of the embellishments are all from Happiness. So I chose this background paper because I thought it looked like the raindrops out of this inspiration piece. And I also these clouds are also a paper from the Legendary collection. But I've machine stitched around the edge here, you know, added a couple of butterflies. I had to create this sun as a shaker pocket. My son seems to only like the layouts that I create with shaker pockets, so I'm on a pretty big shaker pocket you know, tilt at the moment, just to please him. You know, I'm trying to please him with my creating as well, but you know, they're fun, so I love it. And I actually used the backing pieces of these and stuck those sequins to the back, and that's all popped up on foam as well. And so, yeah, I was really wrapped because then I ended up, entered this in the competition and won a gift voucher to Cut to You. So there's going to be a whole bunch more of cut file layouts coming to you soon. Yeah, so I hope you like this layout share, and I'll see you again later. Bye, everybody.